Hey coffee lovers, Erica here and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the best gear for your daily brew. Today I'm super excited to talk about the Diletta Bello Espresso Machine. If you're hunting for a sleek, high-performance espresso maker, stick around. This one's a game changer. Let's break it down and see if it's the right fit for your kitchen. First, let's talk features. The Diletta Bello is a compact, stylish machine with a stainless steel boiler that delivers top-notch water quality for your espresso. It's got a heat exchange system so you can brew and steam milk at the same time, perfect for whipping up lattes or cappuccinos in a flash. The E61 group head ensures consistent heat for every shot, and you get all manual controls for that hands-on barista vibe. Plus, it has an eco mode with a 60-minute timer to save energy, and you can choose between a stainless steel finish or a white or black powder-coated look to match your kitchen. Now, let's get into the pros. This machine is a dream for home baristas. The build quality is rock solid with a stainless steel frame that's made to last. The compact size, 11 inches wide and 14.5 inches tall, fits easily on most countertops. That heat exchange boiler means you're not waiting around to steam milk after pulling a shot, which is a huge time saver. And the water quality, it's crisp and clean, making your espresso taste phenomenal. Oh, and it's got a 1500 watt system running at 120 volts, so it's powerful yet works with standard outlets. But no machine's perfect, right? Here's the cons. The Bello doesn't have advanced programmability like some pricier models, so if you want fancy PID temperature control or a built-in shot timer, you'll need to step up to the Bello Plus. It's also a bit of an investment, so it's best for folks who are serious about their espresso game. And while it's compact, it's still a hefty piece of equipment, so make sure you've got the counter space. So who's this machine for? If you love crafting cafe-quality espresso at home and want a reliable, stylish machine that's built to last, the Diletta Bello is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for intermediate to advanced home baristas who enjoy the hands-on process, but don't need all the high-tech bells and whistles. For the price, you're getting pro-level performance without breaking the bank. All right, coffee fans, here's the deal. If the Diletta Bello sounds like your kind of machine, check out the link in the description below. You'll find the best pricing and special promotions through Rick's Review Hub. Clicking that link helps support the channel, and we'd love for you to grab this awesome machine at a great deal. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with your coffee-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more gear reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.